Hello YouTube. Today I want to show you how to make the simplest light for a planting tank. Okay, so you need some aluminum foil pan for the oven. I chose the one that's in the right size. And then you just make a small cut like an X or in the middle. You need a light bulb stand or case, and then you just put it in. See? You just put it inside the aluminum pan. I glued it with some tape and connected. It came with this line already and with this short one, and then I connected just another piece of electric wire that had an ending, and I've put it on a timer. On the other one I've connected just the same way a switch, and that's it, you see. And the light bulb that I have on the other one, I took off this white bulb case, and here you see it's just the LED without the case. They both work very well, so I'm not sure you need to disassemble the light bulb. The light bulb that I have there is 10 volt, 6,500 lumens, and this is the result after I trimmed it yesterday. This is a low-tech aquarium. As you can see, I've got some dirt here, just normal garden soil that I bought, and some lava rock here. The plants are Anubias nanas, Elodrea, and Ludwigia, the red one, and I've got also the green variation. Okay, I hope you find this video useful. I really will appreciate your liking this video and subscribing to my handy YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. See you soon.